Hi, I'm Miss Johnson. I teach 2D Studio Art 1, which is a year-long class, and I also teach Creating 2D Art, which is a semester class, very fast-paced semester class. So both classes are designed to allow the students to explore a wide range of media. Students will become literate in the language of visual art, and they'll improve their art making through hands-on discovery. I do understand that students come into my class with a wide range of art experience, so I work with each student to improve their art making ability. As far as supplies, I don't know what all the supplies will be yet, but every student does have a sketchbook that you do need to purchase, and there's a variety of sketchbooks out there. This one's 7 inches by 10 inches, mixed media paper. This one is about 8.5 by 11, very affordable from Big Lots. If you happen to be left-handed students like to get one with a spiral on top. It helps with them manipulate. So that's it. I'm looking forward to seeing you. I absolutely love art, and we'll go from there.